Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I have such a fun, awesome subscription box to unbox. This is the White Carpet Ready wedding subscription box. So this is basically a monthly subscription box to get you ready for your wedding. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I think this is such an amazing idea, and I can't say that I know personally, but it seems like gearing up for a wedding is one of the most fun times in your life, but it could also be a bit stressful. So I think this box is just such an awesome way to add to the fun, but also kind of help with the stress of wedding planning. It says Unveiling Bridal Beauty, and I am so excited to get into this box. But before I do, I just want to give you a little bit more information. And I also want to thank White Carpet Ready for sending me this box for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I'd just like to let you know when a box was sent to me for free. But I'm really excited to be getting their 6-month subscription. They have a 6-month version or a 3-month version, and you can subscribe at any time, so you can align it to prepping for the wedding. If you have someone in your life that just got engaged, this is such an awesome engagement gift to get them. So each box will come with 5 to 7 products, and what's also awesome is with your subscription you get exclusive access to their professional wedding hair and makeup artists. So I'm so excited to see what that's like. So they offer for $9.99 a month the 3-month subscription, which comes with 5 to 7 products for each month focused on bachelorette, wellness, wedding day. But I have a 20% off code. So if you use the code KBXWCR, I'll have that in the description down below as well, you'll get 20% off your subscription. Or you could sign up for the 6-month subscription, which is what I'm doing. It's $89.99 a month, and you get the 5 to 7 products each month focused on eyes, skincare, beauty, bachelorette, wellness, and wedding day, with 6 virtual meetings with your expert wedding beauty planner. Then they also have specialty boxes. They have the honeymoon box. They have a bridesmaid gift bundle. They have the option to just choose one of their boxes. So all of that info is on the website. I'll have that linked in the description down below for you as well. But without further ado, I am too excited. Let's get into this box. It says, White Carpet Ready. Congrats, babe. Time to beauty plan with box 6. Ooh, and I love there's all this product information with info on how to use it as well. So let's see the products, and look at how beautifully this is packaged. Oh, there's a lot in here. Okay. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. This is from Real Her. It's the I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. So I have a full dedicated review video on this that I'll have linked in the description down below, but this is a great eyeliner to wear for all of your wedding celebrations because it's a 24-hour wear, and you need to have those long-lasting makeup products. Next we have, from Sigma. It's the eyeshadow base primer in the shade Ignite, and I absolutely think that eyeshadow primer is so necessary. It'll make your eyeshadow last all day. It'll make it so that you don't have creasing in your eyeshadow. So I'm so glad that they include this in the box because it is seriously a step that you do not want to skip with your wedding makeup. And I'm so excited to try this out in a full dedicated review video as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. If you weren't already aware, I have that series on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on that video. Next, we also got, from Sigma, their E25 blending brush. I have heard so many good things about this brush. I personally have not tried it yet, but I feel like this is such a classic, perfect eyeshadow brush. Ooh, a very nice soft brush with a perfect size for blending out your eyeshadow, because you need to have a perfectly blended eyeshadow look for your wedding day. You don't want to have harsh lines. You want it to look blended, subtle, perfect. And I love that they actually give step-by-step instructions on how to clean your makeup brush. That is so helpful. It says to apply brush cleaner under warm running water. Sweep the brush back and forth against a brush cleaning tool or the palm of your hand. Allow the brush to sit for a minute for a deep clean. That's really smart. I don't do that. Rinse your brush until the water runs clear. Gently squeeze the bristles to remove excess water, and then place the damp brush upside down to dry. It says this is extremely important to prevent moisture from seeping into the ferrule. I don't do that. I should do that. And then, oh, this is really cute packaging. We've got from Vere, their Everlasting Hairband. Ooh, and these are really pretty colors. These are strong hold bands that leave no trace or dent in your hair. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, and they also say how to repair overstretching. Use tongs or a utensil, place your band in boiling water until it is restored into its original size. I did not even realize you could do that. That's so cool. And these are so cute. It comes with 3 different ones, and they're metallic and sparkly. I'm so excited. Like, I love to wear my hair back, so I'm definitely going to use these. And the fact that it doesn't dent the hair is so perfect. So then you can put your hair back as you're getting ready. Oh, and then another product from the brand Real Her, which I really like this brand. It's the Be Your Own Kind of Beauty Shadow Palette. Let's see what kind of colors this has. Oh, beautiful. I love this neutral palette with lots of gorgeous shimmers. I'm so excited to try this out in a dedicated review video, and I'll try and do like a wedding day type of eyeshadow look with this. Ooh, that's going to be so fun. And then they also give instructions on how to apply the eyeshadow. Seriously, such a helpful box. First, you start out with a light shade across the brow bone down to the crease. Then apply a medium shade across the eyelid. Apply a darker shade onto the outer corner for a dramatic effect. Very easy, but that's seriously the same technique that I use for my all the time eyeshadow looks. I start with a lighter shade in the crease, brow area, then you do a lid and then a darker outer corner. So I'm really excited to do a full dedicated review video on this eyeshadow palette as well. Ooh, and then there's also some lashes in here from Ardell, the natural lashes. Oh, these look perfect. I love that they have an invisible band, so it's not like you have this thick black band on the eyelid. It'll look natural, pretty, but it'll also really enhance the eyes. These look layered, wispy, and I love that they're a little bit longer towards the outer corner to add a lifted look to the eyes. Oh, I'm so excited to put these on. And it's so hard, in my opinion, to choose lashes. There's so many different types, and you want them to be, wedding appropriate. So I love that they send you the perfect pair. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, these are the 174 lashes. I love that this box gives you everything you need for your wedding eye makeup. From the primer, the Sigma eyeshadow base primer, to the eyeliner, the Real Her I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. Then also from Real Her, you get the Be Your Own Kind of Beauty shadow palette with the perfect neutral and shimmery shades for your wedding makeup look. Then you get the perfect lashes to put on after your eyeliner and your eyeshadow, the Ardell Natural 174 lashes. And for blending out the eyeshadow, you get the Sigma E25 blending brush. And then whenever I do my makeup, I cannot have my hair in my face. I always have to clip it back or tie it back like I have today. So I love that they include the Verve Everlasting hair bands that are not going to crease your hair. I'm so impressed and so excited about this box. I can't wait to do the full dedicated review videos on these makeup products. But I also think it would be really fun to do a full wedding eye makeup tutorial using all of these products. So let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in seeing that type of video. And I definitely want to know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them, and if you've ever done wedding makeup for yourself, someone else, let me know what your favorite wedding eye makeup products are. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.